Hit the record button for this.
What up, people? It's your boy Jojo.
It's James.
What's that? Y'all see who in the middle pouring up?
Tom! Kira
Inosan.
Dia bagen Pour my top même j'ai des musiques ça.
That's a good song, man.
Yeah, that's from my auntie, bro.
So, you got an uncle named Inosan for real? Or is that you just?
No, Inosan, it's my family's last name.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody's name, first name, then Inosan.
Okay.
Yeah, my cousin Jonathan Inosan. Skelly Inosan. Tout le monde. Gérald Inosan.
Well, that's because it's their last name. Yeah.
So, tout can be
Shut the
Ton.
hell up. Yeah.
But that's because it's the last name. They need a last name.
Yeah, dog. That's
Ton
where
Inosan.
that's
That's
where
good,
the name,
man.
yeah, that's where the name Inosan came from. It's not. People actually think I'm. Oh, you're not. Let me tell you the worst thing about the name Innocent. When you go to court, bro. When I go to court, the judge is like, Innocent? I'm like, yes. He ha. That's
Instant joke. Instant
Yeah,
joke.
like ha. That's right. Bring your ass to the front.
Oh God, man.
That means you're a vagabond? You in court long.
I go by traffic stops.
Nah,
Traffic
nigga.
stop.
Nah,
Red lights.
if I'm not mistaken, you a Jersey nigga, and Jersey niggas are savages.
No, I'm from Haiti. I live in Jersey.
Yeah, nah, nigga. You came to the States. You came, St. Mark nigga, right? Okay. And you came to the States. You ain't come to Miami. You went to New Jersey.
I was in Jersey, yeah.
Play vagabond.
Believe it or not, I was in Jersey the whole time. I was in Indianapolis too for 4 years.
Nigga, what?
By my dedication, don't ask me. Yeah. I was in Indianapolis for 4 years, bro. Yeah, man. I was there, man.
What were you doing in
Freshman,
Indianapolis?
yo, long story short.
Shout out to the Colts in the playoffs. man.
Yeah,
I see y'all
you
boys
already
see
know.
y'all.
Won our
12
first game,
Haitians
you already
in
know.
y'all,
You already
yeah.
know. Hell yeah. I used to fight a lot, man. When I was in middle school, get in trouble, my nigga. So it's like, yeah. Yo, William Loin.
So you got them hands.
Yo, no. E bet mbadum gen, no? Mbadum gen. Yo. Mbadum gen. Yeah, so they sent me to live with my uncle. Got worse there, yo. They actually have racism over there, bro.
Where your uncle live?
And he live in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yeah,
Okay.
You sing you never seen racism? Oh yeah,
Back
no,
on-
you're right. Cause you coming from Haiti.
Nah, yeah, from Haiti.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
what's the racism?
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, wow.
You know what I'm saying? The only closest thing to racism in Haiti, low energy, right? So we're going to hear
yeah.
no va parler sur ça. Yeah, dog. So now we used to, white boys used to be targeting. So it was me and a whole bunch of African guys. So when I got there, they was like, yo, you need to be in this gang. I'm like, no, I come to school. They were like, no, bro. It's either you in the gang or the white boys gonna whoop you. So it used to be, after school, it used to be the soccer team versus the baseball team. The lacrosse, frisbee, all these
Yeah.
teams. They plotting on whipping your ass. That's their goal. Yeah, you black, you working home by yourself, catch you, you're going to truck pull up. So then you're forcing them to know a gun kill the AM African mafia.
So you got African mafia ties.
Yo, bro. That shit, that shit got worse. I'm saying, remember the bang back. If I was something,
To be in a gang.
yeah, dog, it's crazy, man.
So from Indianapolis, you went to Jersey.
I came back to Jersey, yeah.
What?
Yeah, dog.
The most roughest time that I've ever had in the North was New Jersey. Nobody told me. Everybody told me Jersey was New York Junior. So I'm expecting
So I bet it was in Newark. It was in Newark, huh?
It was in Newark.
Hell yeah.
My nigga.
I already know how the story gonna go. Hell
What
yeah.
is that? What is that?
I mean, Newark is not bad. There's North Newark. Remember that guy? There's North Newark and there's actual downtown Newark. Downtown Newark, that's where the train station at.
Listen,
My
man,
God.
Newark is Newark.
Word.
The man peed in a
the
McDonald's.
woman. It was a woman.
Was it?
Yeah.
I couldn't tell.
We walked it.
I
We
couldn't
walked
tell.
into the McDonald's. There's an argument happening. Lady was like in a wheelchair. And I have the video too. I might find it. And she's like,
Wait, so
well,
he recorded the lady peeing in McDonald's?
She just finished peeing after we walked in there.
She was
Yeah.
she was in a wheelchair.
She's in a wheelchair. And she's like, you ain't let me use the bathroom.
Bibi's out there.
You ain't let me use the bathroom, bitch. And she was going off. It was like, oh, we'll call the police. I don't give a fuck. blah blah blah. And then it was like, yo, she just peed on the floor. And yeah, now do it again, motherfucker.
Yeah,
That's Newark, bro.
And we were just trying to order some McChickens, dog.
That's Newark, bro.
Not to mention Rara.
Oh, listen.
Not to mention Rara.
We heard.
Who's Rara?
Oh,
You guys went to Wawa?
No. Ra. R-A.
Hola, American.
No. Yeah, I be. Listen.
They will get a good story in the
We
West.
went to the gas station, met this guy. This guy was just talking, right? It wasn't even us. We was back at the hotel. A friend of ours went to the gas station. Comes back and he's like, yo, man, the guy told me don't go to this gas station no more because Rara just got out and he clapping at everybody.
Mind you, I'm sick.
I'm from Florida.
I'm sick. I'm asleep. And they wake me up to this. And I'm like, yo, who the fuck is Rara? And they was like, I don't know. He's like, yo, if Rara sees you, he clapping everybody. I was like, how do we get? Not to mention, what was the place called? Not the Renaissance. The
hotel.
The hotel. I don't even know. Listen,
it was a fancy name, but that like everyone.
Doubletree.
Nah.
It was on Martin Luther King Boulevard.
Newark. Oh God. Damn.
Bro, it was.
You see.
I'm gonna find the name of it.
Nobody don't be.
Bro,
You guys follow on, man.
We were Googling hotels and was like, oh, this look nice. Oh yeah, let's get this.
You
one.
gotta get it off the highway by the airport. There, then you back out monte, you back in machine. Yeah, you get it there, you good. But if you get it where distance walking,
Bro, we realized
it's over.
when we got to the hotel, there was a bulletproof glass.
Yeah,
The receptionist
It wasn't
was like,
little. It was big bulletproof.
yeah. Something happened.
The Riviera
Something
Hotel.
happened, and
The Riviera Hotel.
yeah, that's just downtown Newark.
Brother, there was crackheads. I mean, you
But
see
up there with that
needles.
cheap-
It was scary.
Yeah, we was looking
Yeah.
for cheap hotels. Shout out to Plus. We was looking for cheap hotels, right? And we was like, yo, okay, we found a cheap one. And we usually do Airbnbs, but it's too late to get one.
Yeah.
And we was like, all right, cool. We'll just do it. It's cheap. Bro, it smelled like 1982. And
Black and Miles. And
you smelled piss. Everything was dirty. And I'm not knocking Newark because honestly say there are some
there's
nice
some nice
parts.
places in Newark.
There's some nice
man.
parts.
But
God damn, where we was at?
Hey, Newark, bro.
Everywhere you go, Lucy's, y'all got Lucy's.
Yeah, dog.
I don't smoke pokes, bro.
Yeah, man, it's just not comfortable.
I stay out of Newark, bro.
So-
I live in Union.
What's that? Where is
That's
that?
the Haitian part.
No, Irvington is the Haitian part.
Irvington.
Yeah,
That's
I
where
heard
Mo
about
at.
Irvington.
That's where Mo at when we slept in Mo house.
Yeah,
Shout out to Mo.
on 19th Avenue.
You know Mo?
Yeah, Dread Mo.
Yeah.
Comedy
yeah.
show Mo.
Yeah.
I know
what-
Mo. I know Mo.
We was
He got the Airbnb down by Grove Street. Still Newark, by the way. A little bit.
Still.
Yeah, dog. Yeah.
So you in Union?
I live in Union. Union is like the West Palm of Jersey. Like nicer, but seeing how he's saying you won't know until you know. Yeah, so it's like people.
God over West South.
Yeah,
South
so
be
it's
West
like,
Palm.
yeah, you see little boy on a bike throwing the newspapers.
Yeah.
You see the lady walking her dog. Hey, John. Hey, Jason. Hey, how you doing?
Nah, I mean, that's
That's leave it the shadow. It's expensive, bro. Hell, yeah. Guys in Union probably like 3 or 4. While in Irvington is like 150.
oh.
Yeah,
so,
that ain't
so
the West Palm. That's the Wellington.
Wellington.
That's the Wellington.
Wellington. So they
$3.
They discourage you by going to Union. You can cash the cala. Me leo mute gas la.
So Union's a whole bunch of white folk there.
Yeah, mostly.
Let me Google Union, New Jersey.
Oh, they actually have the mayor is Haitian, bro.
in
sure.
Union?
That's what they put on. Yeah, the mayor just got elected as Haitian on New Year's.
Oh, you talking about Palm Beach?
No,
Union.
in Union, New Jersey.
Yeah? The mayor of Palm Beach County is Haitian too. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
no, she Haitian. Shout out to her.
Haitian.
Shampoo ticket, you're not coming. Oh, maybe
You-
that's my
you
matter.
finna get more tickets.
It's
now.
somewhere. It's somewhere.
Yeah, they gonna fuck with you, dog.
Yo.
You're Haitian?
Yeah, matak may try by sa lodge, but matak may union. Police la poli ovel. Konel wrong. She knew she was wrong. Yeah, le parce que me haïtien. gon $50 là.
She thought she was saying,
Dis pas, c'est chercher moi la chercher. Me dit attends, y a pas arrêté ni ou même ni machine ni moi même, mais y a blagué parce que m'a dit pas qu'on non. Moi même, voilà. Well, après, y a blagué même côté au problème là. Yo, yeah, the nigga's Haitian, man. I seen it on social media.
Maybe she can help out with these taxes.
She not, bro. She just.
She's a woman.
Yeah.
Suzette Cavadas.
Mem. Yeah, yeah, she just got elected about less than a month ago.
Wow.
Got elected. I think they.
Let me go Google her.
I don't know. Yeah, I never heard
Suzette,
that.
what's up, babe?
Yeah.
She sound young.
Yeah, she didn't look too. Oh, no. Yeah, she had a young face. I seen it on Lunya Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm like, really? Yeah. I would listen.
Shout out to Luyon Sweets.
Yeah. Qu'est-ce que tu encore?
Wanda.
Yeah, Wanda, bah mon love.
She don't look pretty. She grima là. What's
Allez même.
she?
Allez même, baba.
Well, she a little different.
Ensemble là, c'est Donald Trump. Allez même.
Yeah, she.
On blanc, même c'est là.
That's what she might. Maybe she speak Creole.
Non,
We just gon'.
Trump son totally.
Ah, pas parler de ça, t'es pas mal.
Niggas the total opposite of a total.
Moi, il m'a tant de taxes mes amis. Moi, mais base. Moi, et puis ça clique
I just got my W2 today.
Non, plan téléphone à monsieur dans l'armée. Tu pas qu'à toucher, il m'a payé téléphone là.
Jeez. You gotta pay for them. You gotta pay for both of y'all.
$400 téléphone là.
Oh shit! Wait, what? What are you? Who are you talking to?
What?
How many phones are on the line?
Who are you talking to?
Yeah, it's a long story with these phone bills, bro. There's a couple of niggas we was on the plane with, they fell out. Now we stuck with the bill. We gotta pay.
Yeah. We've had one of those before.
Bum ass niggas, man. So,
Hey man, tomorrow we in Palm Beach, bro.
tomorrow, man. Yeah, that's funny.
You got an Airbnb in Palm Beach?
Yeah.
What you was doing today? Yo, you went to see Cello?
No, the guys that I'm with, they have a hotel in Fort Lauderdale.
Okay.
And then the lady already took care of everything in West Palm. So I'm like, yo, I'm over there. And then we got to get out the Airbnb on a Sunday. So we go to a hotel in West Palm again. I'm going to be staying there. But
Which part of Palm Beach, you know?
yeah.
By the way, we just say Palm Beach. Everyone just says Palm Beach.
That's what I heard. But I heard it's the county.
That's right.
Right.
That's what you call it. Like you say Miami. Because there's different parts of Miami, but you just call it all Miami.
Wow. Okay, so it's in Lake Worth,
Okay.
I believe. Yeah, I think. Yeah, the change going blue. Not no. That's how I remember it. Lake Worth. Yeah, go some change. Yeah, so I think it's there. That's what they
remember. You in Haiti.
Yeah, Lake Worth is.
It's Haiti. It's Haiti.
Kidnap.
Haiti.
It's not Belgrade, but it's
Belgrade is poverty. That's not even.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
They know it.
Listen.
Google Belgrade.
There
I ain't gotta
are
say that.
so many. I done had the best cane I ever had in my life.
Poverty.
The best.
Kun.
Oh, gun. Não tem a gama no macha Ken. Mas se você dele morre,
He's looking and waiting.
Ken, yeah.
Corn on the cob.
Let me say the condom de okay. Oh, parce que battre des sugar, fucking sugar devant.
Corn on the cob. Some of the best
My
corn on the cob.
Oh, okay.
Man, listen.
Yeah.
Haitians, man.
Bro, it's one thing that y'all have here par exemple, nous je sais bien liché, lambi. Qui on dit en anglais conch. Yeah, me fait apprendre mot ça l'autre jour. Yeah, mal Google ba honte.
What's your favorite Haitian dish?
It has to be the spaghetti with the hot dog with the ketchup. Well, hey, make up do mon cher.
Listen, man.
On me c'est pas d'accord. Affaire
I'm not saying that I don't d'accord.
La bouille bun ass nigga over here.
Well, that's a sweet dish. I'm not talking about food. If you're talking about foods, it's different.
But the ketchup, if you put the mayonnaise.
Wait, mayonnaise?
Yeah, pas comme ça.
You see what I'm talking about? Nah, see, you understand? I was about to get to that. Not no two Haitians make Haitian spaghetti the same.
No, never mind with the mayonnaise. Parce que même si sorti pour le caler, nous passer. Never mind. With the ketchup,
It's fucking disgusting. Who puts mayonnaise on their Haitian spaghetti?
My mother used to do it, and then I tried it, and then
It was good.
It was alright.
You liked it?
It was alright.
Everybody does their own little. That's what I'm saying. Everyone does their own little thing.
and then
Like
you got-
I know people who put shrimp and shredded chicken.
Yeah, you gotta have the boiled egg on the side.
See, some people do the boiled egg. I like to eat mine with some bread. Yeah.
Yo, my auntie wait till the spaghetti is done, and then she put eggs in it. They freeze it à la donne. Yeah, that's actually not bad though, but you gotta know how to do it. See, that's
the thing.
Yeah, man, you gotta know how to do it, bro.
I like to put barbecue sauce on my spaghetti all the like sweet and spicy barbecue sauce.
I do. A little American tang to it.
Yeah, my God.
I see them looking at me like, wasabi shop fast spaghetti.
One make blue cheese.
Whoa.
See, that's too far.
More death.
I couldn't do, and I like blue cheese, but I don't think that's good for Haitian spaghetti.
Man, I don't think that's...
Some people put some bun in there, some chopped bun in.
Like when you watch your mom take something like Roman noodles, okay,
and make a dish from just
you're like, what is this?
That.
I didn't even see this in the cabinet. Where this came from?
Yeah,
and then you go look in the trash can, and it's a pack of Roman noodles, chicken flavor.
Yeah, man.
My mother used to. Rest in peace to her. My mother used to. They couldn't foncer because in Haiti it was just me and her. So I came up here when I was like 10. So growing up, like everybody was here, but me and her were in Haiti.
We're still in Haiti.
Huh?
You still? Yeah,
we're still in Haiti. So now we understand they had bills. So we had to do what we had to do. And then she used to my mother mom got from spaghetti in 6 minutes.
Done.
But me explico que ça me do. You know how you make the sauce, right? Yeah. You do the regular sauce instead of adding the chicken in the sauce. Les spaghetti avec couvrir bow. 5 minutes et puis le fini de l'eau à bouillir red. Mes spaghetti.
That's what I like.
Yo,
I like to experience people's foods, bro. I told you, everybody don't make it the same, but it just come out differently amazing.
Man. My mom makes soup jumu a different kind of way, man. My mama, man, she make the soup jumu, right?
Nigga mama make jumu paste.
Hey, listen.
Thick ass jumu.
But who was at the crib fucking it up, though?
It was alright. It wasn't the best jumu I ever had.
She made
But yo, I watch on your IG story, you t'a parlé on soup jumu mal. On soup jumu que t'as qu'on
Oh yeah, bro. It was watered down, dog.
The jumu was burnt. The chocolat was straight from canned shit.
You can see the oil.
It was l'huile in the chocolat. You can see.
No, they actually do put oil in it.
No, you're not supposed to see it.
Yeah, you're not supposed to see it.
Yeah, bro.
You're not supposed to see it, but it's supposed to be in there somewhere.
Yeah, but see,
in the
said in there somewhere.
Yeah,
on the corner, on the side.
Yeah. It can't look like when you just got an oil change. If you do, I come out there. It can't look like that.
That's what it look like.
Nah,
no, it's fucked up, bro.
In Florida too. Whenever I picture Florida, I picture like, cause y'all like 20 minutes away from Haiti, so I picture like, no. I say go neki boy, si mse nou jè, mse vin sou bateau, se di mpremye kote nan Miami, Florida. Long story, bro. Man, y'all close to Haiti, so whenever I picture y'all, I picture like seafood. Mon paquet haïtien qu'a fait manger.
Oh, where you going tonight? You'll see a lot of that.
Yeah.
What part of the? You gotta show me where it's at.
Yo, Airbnb.
You probably on the east side. You probably on the east side.
Yeah. But Muddy Tifia, man, I gotta ask the lady.
You talking about Eastland?
Oui.
Shout out to Eastland and watch Haiti.
Watch kids.
What about the children in Haiti?
Yeah.
That's what watch stands for.
Tomorrow,
my dog Ton Inosan will be hosting.
Yeah.
Watch Haiti's event tomorrow. That's Watch What About the Children in Haiti, and it's gonna be all about the earthquake and her foundation. So if y'all want Eastland, it's WATCH.
This will be way after that. Unfortunately,
it's on January 12th. This is gonna probably drop somewhere after January 12th. So
there's that.
Well, Baba, só que já foi ver. Alright, aí lá. Sissy next. That's it.
Yo, Mavi Majonti Lambi, man. Talking about his out.
Yeah, it's here.
God damn it. Yo, I went to
shout out to Albert's
Albert's, man. We
yo,
here.
Let me do. I'm devant ces restaurants c'est bête. Parce que
shut the fuck.
He said that.
No, moi me dit ouais, ça est là. Et me regarder moi d'accord.
Where do you get Beta and Albert?
I said that too.
Albert, Beto, Roberto, me dit tout oh, même bagaille.
This is a Haitian trying to figure something out.
My mother, let me tell you what. My mother tried to mess up my life, bro. When I was little, her name was Nicole. Inosan. So she was gonna name me Nicholson.
Oh, shit.
That's your new name in my phone.
Hey, Nicholson.
Hey, cut, bro. Let me tell you about some god mom. Nicholson. Et dit, mais non, c'est nous qui a changé. Changé ma Nicholson, man.
You go right there, boy. You all.
Nicholson.
C'est méchant, man.
Hey, Nicholson, man.
Yeah, I like that, man. So now, only we gonna know. I remember the first time I met Ton Inosan. It was in New York at the parade, right? Ton Inosan's on the side. And he comes in, he's on the parade, he comes, and I'm toasted, I'm slizzard, I'm fucked up, okay? So Ton Inosan, he's like, I think he taps me or something. And I was like, yo, I think I
remember how this shit went perfectly well. No, he stepped backwards. Come on, peep, I push it, shot my shit. I peeped you first, and I peeped him. And then my boy LB was with me, he's like, yo, that's the guy from Instagram. I'm like, yeah, I'm going in there, yo, you born, yeah, going about that business. He picked me up. Nga del bim yo, nigga kon him. He says yo, nigga kon him. But I see ya, but bali fa so mon bazi yo. E bi mon passe, monsieur go next, yo, fuck out of here. When ya lem nigga let him, I'm wait, boy, didn't go. But yo, I was drunk back on the scene. But shit, man, car ouvert, but
we was.
No, we like
that was my first Labor Day. That was the second Labor Day, and bro, I've never experienced anything like that.
Labor Day's crazy, bro. Moon go shot.
Too much.
Oh my God,
it's never too much.
Yeah,
it's never ever.
Yo,
ever.
It's never too much ass.
No,
if you make them about hashtag Haitian men don't cheat.
Were you there last year?
Yeah, I was. It was me. Yeah, this year. Wait, last year.
This year.
It was me and Cello.
Last year.
Yeah, no, last year.
2018.
Yeah.
We missed it because of a fuck nigga in front of me.
Yeah, nah, man.
It was me, Cello, Tony Mix. It was Tony Mix first time.
Tony Mix second time. He was there last year. The year we went.
Nah, we gonna be there this year.
Tony Mix was chasing our float.
Woodsy Woodboy was gonna be the first time. Yeah, but they canceled his shit last minute.
Yo, that was crazy. Was when we went there. Whose float did they cancel? They canceled. I don't remember. All I know is they do this thing where they check everyone's float.
That's the shit. You can see a whole flight. You be like, oh shit, this shit gonna be lit. They be up and Jacko. They be yo do couch.
I think that was it.
Yo,
he low key put him out. I wasn't gonna say nothing.
I don't remember the name. We was on it, right? I'm like, what the hell is this? Like, oh, it's was it checkpoint? Whatever.
Yeah, you gotta do the state checkpoint. Then you gotta do the New York checkpoint.
So you're on it, right? We almost got our heads fucking chopped off.
Yeah.
We had to cross this bridge, right? And they didn't know if we were gonna make it. So all you hear, bro, I'm not kidding. Look, when I say this much space, you're like this, and you just see concrete.
You can see the hair on the mildew under the bridge.
My nigga, like, and we got through it, and everyone starts clapping. Yeah, you know Haitians every time something passes, they clap. But
I'm so happy, bro. Is white people in charge of the floats.
Oh my God.
Zamim c'était haïtien. Ton nègre c'est chaque des monde mourir dans float ça. Zamim l'on dans float ça, nous sommes dans float Tony mais float là comme ça. Ou t'as dit chaque tomber comme chaque. Shit. Imagine bro, bah t'as tombé mais et puis on va camper, nous c'est du cap pour mon encore.
Si, eu chargé mon nom. Chargé mon nom.
Ça râler mon monter. Bon moi, ou ka camper, mais sous depuis et maintenant camper son pied. Bon c'est moi. C'est pas même. C'était pas mal. Yo, it's so many people there so ou camper comme ça.
That's what happened. That's how homie got fucked up. The rapper dude from Haiti when he got electrocuted.
Oh, Phantom.
Yeah.
See
the Haitians, the man was just chilling, and then the core came, and he just lit up like a damn Christmas like
barbecue.
But he recovered well.
Yeah,
he got good treatment in Miami.
Yeah, they brought him up here. Yeah. See the team set up.
Yeah, most definitely. Hey, bro, this video. Let me tell you something. I remember I wrote you when you dropped this.
Which one is it?
Bam.
I wrote you instantly. I said you got something. I know I can find the message. I said you have something. It's so funny. Because he's telling you.
How to take a shower.
Oh, this is. I thought this was the voiceover.
Imbécile.
Nah.
And then Jonas.
That's right here. That's right here, Palm Beach.
3 acres.
Red.
That's what you said. Tell me, did the soap get in your eyes?
Nah.
My father, I'm gonna tell you a story.
Bow. Pose it
And
and
you
relax.
say something about it too.
Bon Dieu, baby.
On some weird personal shit. My father, when I was very young, he used to make me and my brother take a shower all together, all of us. Me, my father, and my brother. We were young. This is like 4, 5 years old type shit, right? So he'd be showering and he'd take the salvo and he like, cause this is side to this. A lot of black people like, yo, you don't use a rag? Let me tell you something. My daddy was soap bar. He still is soap bar king. Okay, he a soap bar, no rag nigga. One of the cleanest niggas I ever met in my life. I didn't know anything about a rag until like early high school.
Rag.
You see? On toile. You go on toile no.
Oh, ti paswa yo run na wal gen na. Ti paswa gen ti kod na la.
Sure, you can call that.
Yeah, the little paswa. You gonna call.
Yeah.
My dad would just use the soap
That's
bar.
what they use that for.
Oh shit.
So you just
so you don't use rag?
Listen, I know it was for body, but mbase pou do seulement te. Parce que mam do vin di fin passe nan dom mou mwen. Après ça, il mettait le bac là. Bah, jamais elle passe dans l'école.
You can't. They got different kinds. You got the loaf and you got the back one. Then you got the one that's like weird, spongy looking. And then you got the actual like twilight type. You could pass it on you. It's like a little baby Soviet. Pass it all over yourself. So I was like, I'm a soap bar nigga. Like my dad used soap bar. It wasn't until I got older and then class started building up in places. No, my dad he'd pass the salvo over his eyes and open his eyes.
Yeah.
And I'm like, my nigga, how is it fucking
I
you
think
up?
it's a
I think it's a Haitian thing. They know how to pass it.
The thing is, low pass savon when you pass it over your face to fermer jour. But si moun isi yo me yo sa ou fe, ou pa ka fe sa mon
That's what I did.
Mon show.
I'm like,
ou pa Spider-Man.
nigga, open my eyes.
Yeah, ou pa Batman. Ou passe dans figou parce que pas jouer à laver. Ou supposé laver jour l'autre bosser donc. Jour pas gagne pour laver.
What?
Parce que ça va passer pour faire là-dedans. Mais ça j'aime même sur le boulot pas un problème. On va descendre. On va regarder quoi. On va ballon 5 minutes là pas boulot. Hey man.
But yeah, no.
Hygiene tips from Ton Inosan.
Yo, coming soon. I'm dropping the deodorant soon, pops.
Nigga, you supposed to been hop on that, man. You supposed to.
Yo, monsieur. Pas gen temps, no man. Yo, I go to work from 11 in the morning. I get out of work at 8. That's the whole day. Bro, that's almost every day.
That video you did at your job. Where
Which one?
The DC was like,
the dish.
Yes.
I was screaming.
Man.
It's so funny.
Monsieur not travail là. My name is true story, bro.
It really happened?
True story. It happened, and then the guy that it happened with, he was so mad when I was recording the video. So let me tell you what happened. T-Mobile called me. So I went, because you're not supposed to answer your phone at work, because it's in the kitchen. So I went to the back answering the phone. So me dit monsieur, pas frappe assiette yo, puis yo pas attendre si t'as quoi dans des choses dans mieux, barre mon yo. Vous êtes ça veut dire là, moi même capteur dans des choses mais pas mon mieux. L'aime toucher chaque mois square marqué dish room là, so he went off. He got mad. He cried. Not making this up. He lied. But I'm saying his name is Potes Doleo. Potes cried. Potes baby c'est pour d'abord ça Potes cried. So from nèg yo commencé faire film nèg yo dit non pas bon pas cap derrière ou marqué nèg a dégâts comme ça. On y a vinn côté me dit Potes bon de respect même dit bon montre ba bon bral font vidéo sur lui, va ouvrir call là, montre me fâcher et puis bon me faire vidéo. Tout le monde fait vidéo à la Brandon. That's how we got past it, bro. Yeah, dog. So we had to come up. Yeah.
That shit was funny.
Yo, bro. True story, bro. It's a true story, man.
That's
Not only that, but there's two actually that two of my favorites. The chicken with the mushroom. You pull the mushroom out from your side. The guy owed you money.
Oh.
Instead of getting the money, You asked for his chicken.
Rest in peace to that machete, by the way.
Where's the machete?
Yeah.
You told me they took it. Someone took it.
Elizabeth Police Department.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, dog.
Prends
machette là. Pour nous besoin de cap conduit sur Florida, nous j'ai fait pour l'autre moment. They go prends machette là même. Let me tell you, drunk night. We outside First Republic. Hope they shut down.
What's First Republic?
I was going to
He knows.
On restaurant slash club, nous j'ai plein pinez. Anyway. So, là nous arrivés, they went First Republic, I nous sous, I chilling. I don't know who said something to me, and I thought it was a great idea. Yo, I remind you, that place is right next to a police station. So, I pop truck machine, I'm gonna machete là. Et puis, moi flash la vie sur moi. Is that a machete in your hand? I'm going back and forth. I'm saying, no, stop right there. When you come to chercher, I'm saying, yo, I'm going got the lawyer out there. I'm saying, y'all got no warrant. Y'all not going in the car. I'm saying, where are you from? I'm saying, Haiti. I'm saying, are you an American citizen? I'm saying, no. I'm saying, I don't think that's good then. Oh, shit. Move that truck like fast. Baby, say, clear, move it. Now, you go my shit live and they look my name up, see if I had warrants and all this. Yo, them niggas laugh. I don't know what that means. That means they probably could have got somebody before me, and that's a code for, yeah, we got another one. Yo, he looked at him and they laughed. Il me dit, mec, là, mec, il y a un peu ouvert. Il me dit, bah, des fois, bah, me baiser fou, même mon bouton, de baiser là, truc là, ouvert.
Oh my God.
Hey, now you put my shit là.
Oh my God.
Now you fait me perdre, c'est les balles
Was Trump president at the time?
Yeah, you know, Trump, yeah, so Trump là.
This was like a year and a half ago?
Probably, yeah. Them said they have to process it to make sure if I kill anybody with it. If not, if they see any DNA in it, they gonna hit me up. Your boy should with him. Wow, mais ça me fait, ça même font moi m'a checker téléphone, chaque numéro que les m'ba connaît caca même dit cat, man, dès que mon ça.
They come for you, bro. They wouldn't come. They'd come straight for you.
Yo, hell yeah.
Hey, you
I ain't never killed nobody with a machete though, bro.
Hey, that one with the water where you came home and the girl was using the water.
Shot.
That reminded me of my father so bad. They say you embody the character. You know, you change characters.
Yeah.
I remember you did the whole
old man
Tonton Bichard role.
Rest in peace to that character too.
Yeah, you killed him off, and that's only because people would give you the role. I remember you told me the story when we were talking.
When I went to Canada.
They gave you the... He said he did a bomb set. Let me hear the story. Go ahead.
Bro, I'm in Canada, right? Blueprint Lounge in Canada. People in Canada know what I'm talking about. It's in Montreal. Got in there with the makeup on. Oh, it's lit. Took up photo. They been up pop. I'm just, they know Ton Inosan out here. It's
Like,
lit.
shit, they got to doing work.
I had 2K on Instagram. Like, girl, I took my on Instagram a lot.
Wow,
Yeah. Girl, I said lie with it. So it's lit. Fait photo, man. Man, il prend mes coups à ma train. Je me dis comment nous est là. Ouh, go see from chaque emballé, moi, j'ai gagné.
You're like, that's the one I'm gonna fuck
Yo, she laughing, but she crying at the same time. Like, it's lit. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a bon? Et puis, me dit DJ, elle fini. Tout le monde gagne. Give it one more round of applause for Tonton Bichard, everybody. That me so sad with telephone, man, but on y a m'tou prend pas moi me dit thank you fait photo qu'on y a m'tou Bichard net pour rester là.
So you just did it. You can't.
No, Bichard perform.
Oh fuck.
Hey, let me check Snapchat tout le monde. Yeah, Tonton Bichard was late tonight, guys.
Oh my god. Tonton Bichard's manager was like, why is everybody calling my phone?
So my manager was like, yo, we gotta do something. Something gotta be done. I'm like, yo, I know lag on video. Moi-même.
Because I never seen you out of character until you did that video.
Yeah, then at first people was like,
you even with the festivals. He was at
you did it at the New York one,
and we were at Igloo. We're at Igloo.
Which Igloo?
Igloo here.
Igloo
here in West
and
Palm?
we were on stage. Yeah, we
you
were
came
on stage.
to Igloo West Palm?
No, going Igloo boys, yeah.
You didn't come to Igloo West Palm?
We were somewhere. Was it?
Igloo est pas bas, you make glass là dedans.
No, it's like
they
a whole
have
event.
liquor. They brought
it's
liquor
a whole
to
event
the,
where
to
you do
the,
nothing but liquor and drinking.
They bring their own liquor.
It's BYOB and it's just a big ass outdoor party.
Yeah,
we were on stage and then somebody grabbed me and I was like, who the fuck is that?
It's like from Batman. I got have a license back over there. What the fuck is that? Imagine no turn up with a photo coupon on John. What the fuck is?
I don't care about Jordan. I looked in like yeah, whatever. I was like, oh, what's up, bro? Once he start that fucking like boy there. You already know who the fuck it is.
Yo, man, like most of them guys say, boy, that's it. Man, I get that.
So now that you do your old Ton Inosan thing now people know who you are. Face just straight off that.
It's different now. Yeah, walking down in Jersey. Hey, no start it. But yeah.
You are like 12K now, my nigga.
I'm at 12.
Hey, the ball is at this point. It's just gonna be a snowball effect.
Yo, bro, it could have been more. That's that job, man. Kunya, I'm hold up by my fella. Kunya, I'm trying to quit that job. Then I'm gonna fair lift. So I'm gonna work on my own time so I could drop more. Content. Yo, I know this. My boy in Haiti, Monsieur Bowman, Monsieur, I'm sure they Peggy. He's a Haitian. He's not a comedian. He do videos.
Okay.
Yeah. So my boy was at 6K and I was at 10. Give my nigga a shout out. So he couldn't. I mean, my nigga at 23 now. I'm at 12. He dropped every day. If you're bon, Monsieur Bon. So he good, bro, and he drop every day. So Lord Joey, me say one more shout out, like from game 12.5. Yo, that job gotta go, bro. I can't do nothing.
It's tough. I remember when we was working, both of us was working and trying to get off work. So, all right, we gotta squeeze something,
bro.
Man. 1:30 in the morning, you just up shooting.
Even
somewhere,
him too. He do music. His name is HV. He has a song. He has a song called Farewell.
So YouTube?
Yeah, so YouTube. Motion. They won't make the HV Farewell about it.
HV.
Yo, we both work the same hours, the same schedule.
When we say about shout out time.
No, shit, me say about I make up do one shit.
Let me say even.
One shit, but yo. Yeah.
Nigga.
Leave him.
Leave him.
Yeah, leave him.
About 34 minutes leave now.
You probably like in the other page.
Oh, mais on l'autre page qui prend qui vont lol. Yeah, dog. We got the same schedule, bro. Yeah.
Oh, you a superstar, bro.
Yeah, my man doing his thing. Got another song coming out named Lamu. Belle musique. Ou connaissez le pas de bon, bah t'as dit moi. C'est bon, moi. Mon cher, moi.
Because that was HV. Shout out to HV.
Yo, that job, that job gotta go because we can't do nothing, bro. Imagine, monsieur, après tu travailles là, 8 heures courir à la studio, man. By the time you get to the studio, you tired. Oh, bro.
Tired is the biggest.
You tired?
We deal with that.
Niggas have Henny, now you wanna drink to hype yourself up when you're under for show. Nothing against
you. Leave wrong. There's nothing you can do about it.
My nigga, when it's 8 o'clock, I get up like, qu'est-ce que j'ai buy? Zoazo brat. But yo, I was trying to do a skit, bro. Skit down at that way. Shackling fini niggas, yo, get out of here, man. Every time I get out of work, I'm back in business because I get up and say I'm not. Yo, do travail ça, man. Yo, sometimes
it feeds your procrastination too, man. That shit could feed it big time.
One of my videos I did, bro, I'm call out my video because I was sleeping. I had a dream. That's
dreams, when dreams come down,
instant thought.
I had a dream. My video, it's like somebody's telling me how to do the video in my dream. Money clever, that's how I know. Video, I go viral to it. Yeah, video, I go viral to it. No WhatsApp. Gun me voye l'ba mwen back li di sa yo mwen mwen. Yo, video a frappé. That's how Tony Mix know me by. Video sa. Yeah, monsieur video a maman qui voye l'ba li.
Wow.
Yo, monsieur dit qu'est-ce pas petit ça. Boom.
Which video was that?
Video, on l'aime dit monsieur yo. M'pa parle anglais m'besoin pour call out pour moi.
Oh yeah.
Dis monsieur m'besoin pour call out pour moi. Non, dormi m'vient vidéo. Kounya là, le monsieur prend téléphone, monsieur dit, "Hi, my name is this and that and then I'm trying to call out for Tony." Je dis non. Je ou pas call out parce que il qui pousse carré chose travail out même travail dedans. Yo, tellement monsieur dit non, call out veut dire ou pas venir me dit non, call out c'est mon dé yo. Même travail dedans. C'est ou pas call out. No, dormi me vidéo a frappé me.
What about the one where you was trying to make up to your girl and you had to do singing?
Même c'est que tu chantes pas table là.
Oh, that was you?
Every set up shut up about that. Me say two say man.
Yo, that shit was amazing.
Where'd you get that inspiration from?
He didn't see.
Yeah.
That was the idea. I ain't gonna take it. I ain't gonna take it for it. That's man. He didn't see.
I said I know.
I'm that was his idea. He said it like yo, I'm just hard boy. Not travail là on qu'on fait. And dans travail là.
You know what I'm waiting for? You and Cello because your guys' style.
Oh man,
You have this. Yeah, you guys have this ultra instinct Creole, this perfected Creole where it's just
fast.
It's like you guys.
Can you
I
go?
remember we was in Orlando, and I was like, "Go!" And off the top, you got. Remember y'all sitting on a little curb, and y'all was just da 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 back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I was like, "This is a fucking amazing. I gotta make a video."
It's like Cello. When Cello met me, he's like, "Yo, you remind me of me." I met him in Jersey. Mse wè mse di yo mkon non yon men. Mse di yo mkon Airbnb ou bwa lave ma zopozi an ale men. Bwa al drav hana de men mtou call out. Mdi ket? Mdi yo mse mbap vini no ma de neg Instagram yo. Yeah, mdi mbap.
You couldn't give it up.
No,
You just- I take the opportunity.
Let's have mge 1.5k na Instagram. Lem I got page mse gen 200k. Mfout call out. Mdi ket. Mdi shit. Sa mse mse na kon video ave men. But tout les am cool. Mse di an pa bezon ba mon cher. Mse di mwe ou jon yam mwe mon partner. Bon partner,
Nah, Cello good guy, man.
That's
C'est bon
love,
partner, son
man.
bon brother,
That's
man. Son
family.
bon brother, man. C'est bon brother, man.
That's
Yeah,
family.
dog. Yeah, Creole no. Yo, sometimes we speak in Creole, people like, what? But Monsieur comprend me.
Yeah.
He know what I said, but everybody's like, what? Ma vini mbal don manger map tourner. Ma vini mbal don manger map tourner. But Monsieur get comprend, il doit me pas non red. What do you Yeah.
Bro, go. Just go.
Yo, esse yo, tu la kembe ma vini mbal ton map vini. Tu la kembe ma vini mbal ton map vini, mais ou même pas dit que, ah monsieur dit là, but Cello a get comprend. Monsieur a get comprend on a dit. Yo, ça il est gen haïtien là, but nous pas vle yo, ma vini
We're gonna
mbal.
put a speedometer
Yo, pas
right here somewhere.
Yo, ma vini mbal we boza de ma vini. Vous comprenez?
How long
Sound
can
like
you
Roman
keep that
dad.
up for?
Ah, de vous venez parler comme ça, me parler, me café journée, me café de même, café. Ah, de vous voulez mal, regardez, me c'est qui ont des nèg la boss, et pas boss ta non, qui Twister. Yeah.
Buster be on it too.
Yeah, dog.
Twister and Buster.
Yeah, dog.
Yo, can you do a rap song and just
You
go
know what?
like that?
Yo, back on then, back on me rap, no. Dernier musique me fait Manushka.
Well, this next segment fits
Yo.
you perfectly, then.
Which one?
All right, it's called Rapid Fire. All right, basically, what happens is you get 5 seconds to answer a question.
Wow.
5 seconds. Jonas is the timer.
Okay, 5 seconds.
Okay. 5 questions. Now,
I
in
thought we were on
between,
instrumental. I thought we were gonna get him to rap fast.
fuck it. Just go.
Attendez, les m'a blâmer monter ici. Ouais, bah moi. Bah moi, mais yo sauté bien embarrassé, il pas pour moi. C'est comme j'aime bien black
Alright, fine, we're gonna go through it. He started full, by the way.
But méchant.
The rapid fire, all right? 5 questions. You got 5 seconds
This
per
is the
question.
motherfucking timer, nigga. Undefeated
Six
motherfucking
seconds.
timer. You see this timer? Look at respect
there.
the timer,
5
blood.
seconds.
Hell yeah.
Now, when you answer the question, you can elaborate on the question. We give you a second to, say what you got to say about, at least explain yourself. But after that, we on to the next question.
You
You
see
got
how
5
he's
seconds.
explaining? Is when you explain
Mambo
something
Kiss.
to you
Mambo
explain
Kiss.
something to
Mambo
an
Kiss.
Asian. Maldi, okay.
that
He
bitch
said
right.
yes, but he's not sure.
Okay, so first question. 5 seconds.
Vamos exemple avant.
No, bro.
Ask for an example.
On a dit 5 secondes.
All right, you ready? Here we go.
He's so ready.
Women from the north or the south?
9.
Oh,
You're gonna offend
you
a
know where
lot.
you at right now?
Pas 9 là. Non, moi-même, c'est question m'a répondre, même si me même bon son
No, you said north women better than south women.
Non, on va comprendre. Ou ba 5 secondes. It's like you give me 5 seconds or I die. Ma play. C'est bon,
He's trying to save himself.
Ouf.
Yo.
M'pa jam passer you là pour pas prendre 5 secondes là non. Ouf, you crazy? Ice cream ou bien charbon? On connaît charbon pas bon. Ice cream pas bon.
It's not a race to pick one. It's really just you got 5 seconds to answer.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
shit.
Qu'on y a comprendre.
You still pick North women though.
you did, yo. You did.
I ain't gonna lie though, bro.
South women are crazy.
Nah, I ain't
bro.
gonna lie.
South women are crazy. They
I
have
love
too much time in
Canadians.
their hands, so they crazy.
We've already established I love Canadians, but them Brooklyn girls.
It depends.
Just a little
Shout out to Brooklyn, by the way.
aggressive.
It depends.
Jersey was a little strange. Queens was alright. They're real homey in creams.
Jersey's alright.
Jersey's not bad.
Jersey, alright,
They look gangsta over there though.
It depends again.
Brooklyn's nice. It's just a little
They
aggressive.
loud.
Fucking the chicken tips.
Yeah, Brooklyn is
Yo,
loud.
crack my shit, son. Yeah, nigga. Crack my shit, my nigga. Dead ass.
Okay, next question. 5 seconds. Money or health?
Health.
Yeah.
Yeah, with health I can make money.
That's what I said.
You can have money and
that's
die.
what I told
dude.
this
That shit
bitch earlier in the car. This
money,
bitch
you
didn't
die.
listen to
If
me.
you have money, you're a millionaire, but you have
talking
cancer.
about? I never
Right.
disagreed with you
Yeah,
at
I'm saying.
all. What is your issue here? Next question. What the time at?
It's right here. My niggas time ain't going on.
Booty or titties?
Booty. I'm fat titties, man. I'm not sure.
I don't agree. I'm sorry.
It's some niggas behind the camera and behind the computer that love titties, man. Hey, look.
That is what disappoints you. That's why
HB, where you at? You a titty nigga? Titties gonna disappoint you?
Yo, titties, they will disappoint. Yo, Bobby speak on. More from. Man, stand back with you. You can't be able to. Goddamn, what's that like?
No matter there if I can.
Moi, j'ai détaché. M'bak on sac passé, moi j'ai détaché les puis moi. M'dit, hein, ouais. Ma besoin pas vieux tété Black Friday. Ouais, quoi mon cher. Vieux tété 50% off. Ma besoin. Yo, muda son ya iso man.
Yeah. You see that ass
So
shit like
yeah,
that?
so
Yo, boy on the back there.
Come on, man.
That's on that thing though.
Ain't none of them things flopping in your face when I'm trying to catch.
Yeah. Until it flop up and it's on your back.
You know what I'm saying?
She's sick. There's no reason why it should be on my back. Yeah. Why is it on my? What is it? Hey man.
Yeah, some shit.
Hey, get your breasts.
My bad.
Shit is
Okay,
out.
all right. Next question. Light skinned women or dark skinned women?
No. I'm gonna give you 10 with that one because wherever you go with this, they coming for you no matter which way you go. 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a great answer.
Smart man. Boy, you know what you doing. One right out here.
You gotta keep on every step. The second.
They were gonna eat your ass. Because I was gonna use that clip. They would have ate your ass.
Yeah, so what they was gonna go to watch the whole shit just that.
Yeah.
Oh,
your DM. So you fucking nigga don't like dark skin, don't like light skin. Fuck you, you pussy. Oh my god.
But the thing is, the light skins I can handle. They will really for you. Dark skin now.
Dark skin
They
just don't play.
Yeah, they don't play that
dark
shit.
skinned women, man.
What's up?
Hey, look.
Chocolate latte.
Next question. Here we go. I think this is the hardest question.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
My fucking time was up, son.
If you
I had to conform to my dog right quick.
Focus.
If you could redo anything, just but one thing in your life, what would it be?
5, 4, 3, 2.
High school.
I said the same thing when I was sleeping, and he said that.
Hey, dog.
I
ain't speak no English back then. I ain't baptisé by pasteur m'a préglé. But let me on dit. I saw that damn bad comprendre.
Bro, does that happen to you?
Yeah.
In your inbox, they be like, hey,
I remember
see
you some you been a clown nigga since high school. I'm like, yeah, it was good.
Your next DM is a dick pic.
My voice I don't do that, man. This nigga wild,
You
bro.
like that?
This nigga bugging.
Hey,
Smack it on the screen. You like?
All right, buddy.
You like?
Okay.
hey, all right. Next segment here.
Question. Wait, what is that? What is the mic supposed to be?
That's the camera. You recording?
Please, bro, please.
Oh my God.
Can you feel the heat?
So.
Guys, it right here. All right, next segment. This is called.
This is called motherfucking. Let's parlay motherfucking prank call, Black.
Prank call.
Hell yeah, we're gonna call somebody's phone, my nigga, and we're gonna call him, and we're gonna prank call their ass, black, and we really gonna just really like do whatever we want to.
Yeah. Hell hold on, yeah. Wait, before you pick somebody. Okay, well you gotta pick somebody obviously.
But someone who's gonna pick up, and you have to give us some information. We're not gonna air this part. It's gonna chop straight to the call, and we need to know something because they need to be intrigued to stay on the phone. Yeah, we can't just call them and be like, hey, what's up? They're like, do you know me? Who? Okay, who's
Ivan.
Ivan?
Yeah.
Okay,
he in Jersey right now?
Yeah, but monsieur pas gen chasse. So n'a dit monsieur, nous sommes partenaires, nous gon research. On monte refer li pour chasse. Parce que monsieur ben cheveux a grandi en pile. Monsieur ben cheveux a grandi en pile. On a même là, monsieur ben cheveux a grandi, but cheveux a get encore le pape grandi encore.
It's a different number, it's not South Florida, so
yeah. Dr. Schultz.
Yeah. Schultz. Hello, I'm looking for Mr. Irby. This is Jeff Ingham with the Newark Police Department.
Fuck out of here. Yo, what's up, yo?
Excuse me?
that's Junior?
Hello?
Yo, Junior, stop playing, bro.
I'm not sure exactly what you're stating. This is Jeff Ingham with the Newark Police Department. It seems like the laundromat is on fire. We were told that you're the acting manager on duty tonight, and we were giving your information.
So how you get my number?
Excuse me?
So how you get my number?
Well, basically, we were contacted by somebody at the laundromat, and they gave us your number and told us you were the acting manager on file today.
Saturday.
So what's up?
Excuse me.
So please don't make me. You wanna talk to the owner?
The owner of what? The laundromat currently is on fire. So could you come down to the precinct tonight? We'd like to ask you some questions.
I'm coming.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, I'm coming.
This sounds like this is somebody else. Can I please speak to Irby?
Yes, this is him.
Okay, my name is Jeff Ingham from the Newark Police Department. We have the fire department going down to the laundromat right now, but we're going to need someone to come down to the precinct for questions.
Okay, I'm coming now.
Are you're coming down to? Do you know where the Newark Police Department precinct is, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're gonna when you get here, please ask our secretary for Jeff Ingham.
Okay.
Okay, we do have the fire department at the laundromat right now taking care of things.
Say no more, man. I'm coming.
All right. Please, if you could you bring your passport as well?
Why? I'm not going nowhere. Why do you need my passport for?
Well, the thing is, we were told that you were a working here on a passport or a visa of some sort.
Okay, hey, I'm not.
Oh, we can meet you at the laundromat if you'd like.
Yo! They got scared! You need my passport.
Yo, I'm saying that. Please don't make me go back.
I'm not going nowhere, would you?
You started getting serious.
Yeah, let me show you for now.
So who was I talking to? There's two niggas.
Yo, it was the nigga that was driving. I say,
so the second guy wasn't him.
No, it by telephone. I said, either way, why check it?
You hear the worry in there. I'm not going nowhere. Why you need that?
Yo, he got nervous, dog.
That's fucked up. See, we really put y'all a bit of suspect.
Yeah.
Oh man, dog.
So what's up, man? We fucking hoes this weekend or what?
No, papa. Shit.
You must be in a relationship.
No, yeah. Shit, gotta keep buying that.
Hey,
it's a rough position right now.
Come on, man. You got a girlfriend?
Yeah. Actually, dude,
yeah.
You love her? Man, she might be watching this shit. So
nigga, yeah, she watching it. You better give her all the praise and shout her out right quick. Shout out.
Pull up a little more. So
You want something to
a
drink?
little bit in there. Just get that all in there.
You see how you chased it?
Yo, Chelo, koto la Chelo. Yeah. Nigga so si bio pram la. Chelo ba na gacho. Ayo nigga ba ka. Pese te mena pinno show ah.
Yeah, that video.
Watch. Shout out to
Watch
Eastland
Kids.
again. Watch Kids. If you want, it's Watch Kids Haiti on Instagram, I believe.
Absolutely,
Let me
absolutely.
give it a quick check right quick. Watch.
Yeah, watch. David Martin. Tomorrow is me. I'm hosting alongside. Ooh, I forgot her name.
Judy?
Yes.
It's Watch Kids. WATCHKIDZ on Instagram. She's doing a great cause.
Absolutely.
My boy here, and we got to follow back. All right, my boy here, Ton Inosan, we'll be hosting with Judy. We will be in the place
You
because,
already know.
of course, we got to support my girl Eastland.
Absolutely.
I said I'm gonna be there at the. Jodi ya Saint-Jou. Bam no Monsieur Revel.
Oh my yeah.
Kenny.
Yeah.
Kenny is gonna be in the building.
Yeah,
Kenny.
real nigga
Palm
Kenny,
Beach
real
County
nigga Kenny.
Select, nigga.
Yeah,
You
right.
heard?
It's gonna
Quick
be-
shout out to our sponsors, man. Albert's Restaurant is amazing, and of course, the amazing
First of all, you
Velmas.
ain't never taste no cremas like this, my
This
nigga.
is Val. M'de follow on Instagram, you pas follow me back.
No? Hey, vamos.
change you.
Vamos. You
M'de
gotta
besoin
follow
de
me
check
on.
him and shit.
M'de besoin que mas parce que tout le temps pas follow back. Message là l'anti side.
Yeah.
Message là. Yeah, side yo pas de message là. Valmas.
They make this with vodka, not rum.
It's amazing.
Et
And they
différent.
got,
On voit.
they have so many
Là,
different
ouais.
types.
Là, ouais. Sous conseil. Sous conseil.
Wow.
Right, so yeah.
Yeah, man.
So
and they
is
got
it-
fucking flavors out the motherfucking woodwork, my nigga.
So is it a better version of
Calm
Crema?
down.
So angry. My nigga
What's
drink
wrong
this
with you?
motherfucking cremas, nigga. You gonna be fucking hoes. You hoes gonna be jumping on good
man.
dick.
Shout out to Albert's Restaurant.
Ok, ma besoin bouteille là. Ma besoin bouteille.
Shout out to Valmas, man. Valmas, some of the best
before you
cremas
go,
on the
before you
planet.
go though. Let me get some. Come on. Go ahead.
Stop whispering in this nigga.
Beat like qu'on sort bien Wi-Fi ou slow.
Shit, nigga, what the? Hold on, I got something for you.
man.
Yeah.
No, I got it for you.
One.
I got you. You got no.
When
I
when y'all
got you.
boys coming back to Jersey, man?
Jersey back in here, bueno, vamos.
Freddy seulement.
Wow, mon cher.
Freddy seulement. It's cold as fuck,
Jersey
man.
is,
It's supposed to snow tomorrow.
Bananias, no? You know, I'm trying to give this nigga New York beats, and like this is what you guys are from. Like
you're just not doing a good job.
I got you. This is you can't. This is a
Oh,
clown.
musique ou t'as vu là?
So like
Moi,
clown.
musique, oui.
Pause it.
Yeah, that's not good. Don't worry, it's like the good clowns right
Yeah,
there.
you probably want to, yeah, man.
New York beat. So, pas de 69 like dans prison, hein?
No, this is Busta
Something
Rhymes.
Neff.
Tu vas
This
tenir.
is breaking
Yeah.
neck.
Gen cheveux rouge là.
Oh, you gotta rip this.
Yeah. 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 Konyam Florida. Manger griot. Manger pâté. Checker chez Katou. Avec Jonas. Avec Negyo. N'a bien passé. Au Florida. Ton Inosan. Ba nan Tintin. N'a pas Valmas. So bon crémas. Negyo dit Liban. Et puis le football.
C'est ça.
N'a pas champagne. Rose et Bel Air. Mon femme tout clair.
Qui
Mon
ça?
femme tout clair.
Qui
Et
ça?
ouais Bel Air.
Oh, yeah?
Cabaret.
Hey. Shout out to Ton Inosan, man. Came through the
You
show,
already
love
know,
it. Let's
man.
parlay. Where you at? Tell them where you at.
Yo, my name is Ton Inosan and I'm with James and Jonas. We on Let's Parle. Unfair Fairs en Creole.
So you this every time I close this, it's over.
Mais bien après,
When I,
Wait for man.
Oh, hey.
Zo,
Yo.
yeah.
Yo, get mine, you know that?
Qui ça?
Get mine. Fucking hell, I'm so limbo after Jim Roddy up at it.
Yo, boy, Yo! Wabon? Wabon ba connecting? Get! Get back! Get back!
He went over there.
You said that. Yo! My man James and Jonas, man, I'm in Florida, man. This is Let's Parle show, bro.
My name is Jeff Ingram. I'm looking for trying to see if
Pozo, man.
Yo, man.
he went back for it.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm gonna say, it was a prank call, man. No show là, mais yo dit pour me prank me dire n'a pas LB. Et ça fait moi le me déconne dans dia toujours le cam. Oh.
Oh shit, bro, you
we really fucking did it.
Yeah, man, my bad, man.
That
nigga called the owner. I'm so sorry for what I did to your laundry like that. Like I didn't really mean to do the fire, but I was just fucked. I make sure I lock the doors. Yeah. I make sure I lock the doors.
And on that note, this has been another episode of
Let's Parle, because we talked and Let's Parle and we motherfucking
Hit the record button for me.
Hey, it's James and Jonas. Click and subscribe so you can earn free good on the Sunday Spins.